don't make fun of forex because it will discourage the young ones that wanakuja nyuma.
It's such a nice analogy.
Yeah, so
analogy.
Wait.
Me, I'm just analyzing your statement.
Suddenly everything sounds wrong.
Oh my.
Damn. Wewe usiingilia hustle yangu. I'm like, wewe usiingilia hustle yangu. I'm like, hold on, bro. Spell hustle. Spell hustle.
Kama ni Mkamba amebani.
Yeah.
But now, coming at Flacco for making a skit about it now.
Flacco.
You're lazy. Hard work pays. What is hard, bro? What is hard?
We know what is hard.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Personally, me, I don't have an issue with how someone makes money. You make money the way you want to make money.
Yeah.
My only issue comes in when you want to like people about how you make money.
Your only issue comes in?
When you want to like on how you make money.
Yeah. I didn't mean to ingilia anybody here. So mbona wanataka kuniingilia?
Nasema chuma yangu nanunuanga online.
Link on bio.
Episode title, link in bio.
It's because if you have your hard-earned money, unless you're naive or you're just genuinely ignorant or just don't have access to information, you're not scam when you see one.
Yes.
And pia wamekuwa scam.
Your brain is working too fast. I'm looking for something serious, and something serious takes time to, I wanted to say analyze, but damn.
Shout out to the homies. Yeah. At least you have more money than us.
I know.
At least you have more money than us. Yeah.
More money than us.
Yeah. Literally. You have more money than us, for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, when you watch it, you'll understand.